So, hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn and speak 3 languages at once and at free. Yes. As I've told you, this channel is aiming to teach you Kinyarwanda, Kiswahili, and English in short time. And for free without any payment. So, welcome to today's lesson. Today's lesson is possessive adjectives. Great. Iyi ni volume ya gatandatu tugiye kwiga kuvuga nyir'ikintu, kugenera ikintu umuntu, kuvuga ikintu ni icya kanaka, ni icya kanaka, ni icyanjye, ni icyawe, ni icyuriya. Ibyo nibyo tugiye kwiga uyu munsi. Program which is called Speak English Today, and this is volume 6. Volume 6. See. So as the learning objective in both speech and writing, at the end of this video, after watching this full video, you should be able to use possessive adjectives correctly to talk about the owner of something or someone. Great. My phone for I. Then number 2 is your phone. Your phone. You. My is yanje. My is yanje. Telefoni yange ni nziza. My phone is smart. You can use another noun. My book is expensive. Igitabo cyanje kirahenze. My mother is here. Mama wanje ari hano. Anje. Try to read this sentence aloud. The phone of Eric is smart. The phone of Eric is smart. This sentence is not advanced. For advanced speaker of English, we'll say this one. Eric's phone is smart. Stella is a farmer, while wife is a nurse. While wife is a nurse. Here we put his wife. Gatera n'umuhinzi mu gihe umugore we his wife is a nurse, ari umuforomo. Great. This tree is tall and leaves are green. Yes, which possessive adjective is correct and is suitable for this sentence? Write in the comments. So, hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn and speak 3 languages at once and at free. Yes. As I've told you, this channel is aiming to teach you Kinyarwanda, Kiswahili, and English in short time, and for free without any payment. So, welcome to today's lesson. Today's lesson is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives, for Kinyarwanda speaker, we learn to talk about the owner of someone or something. Yes, iga kuvuga icyongereza cyangwa se kuvuga nyir'ikintu, kugenera. Mu Kinyarwanda babyita ibinyazina ngenera ngenga. Ibinyazina ngenera ngenga. This lesson will help us to talk about the owner of something or someone. And remember that this is a serial program which is called Speak English Today, and this is volume 6. Volume 6. Vuga icyongereza. Iyi ni programu cyangwa se ni ikiganiro cy'uruhererekane turi kugenda ducishaho kigambiriye kwigisha umuntu kuvuga icyongereza mu gihe gito cyane uhereye none. Iyi ni volume ya gatandatu. Remember that in volume 6, in volume 5, I've taught you to use reflexive pronouns. How to use reflexive pronouns when talking about activities So you or someone has done alone without any help of others. For example, I edit this video myself. I edit these videos myself. It means that no one helps me to edit these videos. Rather, I edit them myself. When you say me, I, myself, then yourself, you. If you have not watched this video of volume 5, I recommend you to go and watch that video. It is a very helpful. It will help you to speak to talk about the activities you or other people have involved without any help of others. So welcome back to today's lesson, possessive adjective. This is and I am your teacher Eric. I'm your teacher Eric Bunani, and this is Language Booster TV. Of course, my teacher is Jackie. My teacher is Jackie. Mwalimu wanje my English teacher is Jackie. Mwalimu wanje w'icyongereza ni Jackie. Do you see the word in red color? Amagambo ari mu mutuku muri kuyabona. For Kinyarwanda speaker and for English speaker, kubavuga icyongereza no kuvuga ikinyarwanda, muri kuyabona rero amagambo ari mu mutuku. So this is what we are going to study today. Ibi nibyo tugiye kwiga uyu munsi. Yes, without taking much time, let us go. As introduction, most of the time in our conversation, we need to talk about the owner of something or someone. So in this lesson, you will learn to talk about the owner of something or someone. For example, let us take an example. What is this? What is this? This one is a phone. Yes. And then what is this? This one is a book. This one is a book. You see? This one is a book. So this one is something. It is a phone. Yes, we can talk about the owner of this phone. Who owns this phone? The one who owns this phone is me. It means that this phone, this is my phone. This is my phone. This is my phone. Yes. And I'm talking about the owner of this phone. Great. For Kinyarwanda speaker or learner, we will try to translate these possessive adjectives in Kinyarwanda. We try to translate these possessive adjectives in Kinyarwanda. So, iki muri kubona hano ni giki? Iyi ni telephone. You see? This is a phone. This one is a phone. So this one is a phone. Iyi ni telephone. None iki cyo ni iki? Iki ni iki? Ko muri kubona abadutegere ari kutureba. Iki ni iki? This one. This one is a book. Iki ni igitabo. Iki ni igitabo. So who owns this phone? Iyi telefone ni yande? It's my phone. It is my phone. Iyi telefone ni iyanjye. Telefone yanjye. My phone. Telefone yanjye. Uri kuvuga nyiri ikintu. Iri niryo somo tugiye kwiga uyu munsi, nguhaye ikaze ku muyoboro wa YouTube witwa Language Booster TV, ugambiriye kukwigisha indimi zingahe eshatu icyarimwe. Icyo ni Ikinyarwanda, ni Igiswahili kandi ni Icyongereza. Indimi z'ingenzi cyane mu buzima bwacu bwa buri munsi. Abatangiye kwiga icyongereza n'abatangiye kwiga ikinyarwanda mbahaye ikaze, ariko n'abamaze kuba inzobere muri izi ndimi namwe nzi ko ntimutabura icyo mwungukiramo. Nijye mwarimu wanyu Eric Bunani, ndabakunda cyane kandi muri teka mbazirikana, niyo mpamvu ntahwema kubashakira isomo ry'ingenzi cyane ryabafasha kuvuga icyongereza mu gihe gitoya. Great. Iyi ni volume ya 6 tugiye kwiga kuvuga nyir'ikintu, kugenera ikintu umuntu, kuvuga iki ni ikintu, ni icya kanaka, ni icya kanaka, ni icyanjye, ni icyawe, ni icyuriya. Ibyo nibyo tugiye kwiga uyu munsi. Nguhaye ikaze. So as the learning objective in both speech and writing, at the end of this video, after watching this full video, you should be able to use possessive adjectives correctly to talk about the owner of something or someone. Great. So welcome back to this channel. Great. Without taking much time, ndifuza yuko ukimara kureba iyi video ku iherezo ryayo uraba ushoboye, yaba mu mvugo no mu nyandiko, kugaragaza gukoresha izi binyazina ngenera ngenga mu gusobanura nyir'ikintu uwari we. Iki kintu ni icyande. Yes. Let us take, without taking much time, let us start. What do you think possessive adjectives are? What do you think possessive adjectives are? Great. So, first of all, we should try to understand and define key terms. Possessive, what does it mean? Adjectives, what does it mean? Great. Adjective is a word. It's a kind of word that describes a noun. To mean that it gives more details about that noun. It gives more details about that noun. When you say noun, it is name of thing or person, place, whatever. Among these details, adjective gives about nouns includes the owner of that noun. For example, I've shown you a phone. The phone is the name of this item you are looking at this time. This one is for phone. And this one is a book. This one is a book. So these are nouns. Among these details, so adjective which gives details about the owner of these nouns are called possessive adjectives. So adjectives comes before the noun it modifies. Adjective comes before the noun it modifies. For example, this is phone. The phone is noun. Adjective should come before this noun phone. So we shall try to see how to use these adjectives. Possessive, on the other side, is a word derived from the verb to possess. Possess, which means to have something or to own. To own something. This is what we call possessive. When we put them together, possessive adjectives are words that describe the owner of the noun. It proceeds. When it comes before. Yes. Have you mastered the meaning of possessive adjectives? Yes, they are the words that are used to describe the owner of the noun. They proceed. because they are there. Yes, they are proceed. Great. Let us try to see examples. Let us take the noun phone, as I said. Let us take phone and try to describe different owners. Remember that possessive pronouns are related to personal pronouns. Remember that reflexive adjectives are related to personal pronouns. When you say personal pronouns include I, you, he, she, it, we, as many, you, and they. They. Great. These one are called personal pronouns, and possessive adjectives are related to these personal pronouns. Look at these examples. For I, we say my. Possessive adjective is my. My phone. It means the owner is me. The owner is me. My phone for I. Then number 2 is your phone. Your phone. Your phone. You. Your phone. For guy, for boy, he. We say his phone. His phone. His phone. For she, to mean a girl, is her phone. Her phone. Her phone. For something, the name of one thing, it is it. It's phone. If that someone has phone, I don't know. It's phone. Try to it's phone. What is the color of this phone? So its color is black. Its color is black. What is the color of this book? So its color is green. Its color is green. Great, it is it. And the plural of me, my, is our. Our. This is the plural of my, with we. Our phone. Our phone. Our phone. So number 7 is your. It is the plural of you. Your phones. Your phone. You in the plural. And for they, it is their phone. Their phone. For therefore, their phone. They. Great. These are possessive adjectives. They are related to personal pronouns. Number 1 is my, your, his, her, its, our, your, they. Our, your, they. Those are the possessive adjectives. So let us come back for Kinyarwanda speaker. Let us try to translate these possessive adjectives in Kinyarwanda. Number 1 is my phone is smart. We are going to try to translate these sentences. My phone is smart. You see? My phone is smart. So my phone is smart. Your phone is expensive. His phone is good. Her phone is good. Its color is good. That is, phone is not included. This one is not included. This one, you delete one. This one, delete it. Its phone is, its color is good. Its color is good. I forgotten to delete its phone there. Its color is good. Our phones are smart. Your phones are expensive. Your phones are expensive. Their phones are good. Their phones are Good. So let us try to translate the sentences for Kinyarwanda speaker. My phone is smart. My is yanje. My is yanje. Telefoni yange ni nziza. My phone is smart. You can use another noun. My book is expensive. Igitabo cyanjye kirahenze. My mother is here. Mama wanjye ari hano. Ange. My. Your phone is expensive. Your phone is expensive. I've forgotten is there. My friend. Excuse me. I've forgotten is here in this sentence. My phone is expensive. It is error in typing. My phone is expensive. Telefoni yawe, your phone is expensive. Telefoni yawe irahenze. Telefoni yawe irahenze. Yawe. If it is a book, igitabo cyawe kirahenze. If it is a table, your table is long. Ameza yawe ni maremare. Ufata possessive adjective ukabanzaho ukayibanza ugakurikizaho izina ry'icyo uri kugenera nyine umuntu. Icyo uri kugenera. His phone is good. Telefoni ye ni nziza. Ye ni nziza. Je ni umuhungu. Telefoni ye, her phone is good. Her phone is good. Telefoni ye ni nziza igihe ari umukobwa. Its color is good. Ibara ryayo, ubwo ni ya telefoni navugaga, harani bagiye kuyisiba munyihanganire. Its color is good. Ibara ryayo ni ryiza. Its color is black. Ibara ryayo ni iki is black. Ni umukara. Great. Our phones are smart. Telefoni zacu ni nziza. Telefoni zacu zirasobanutse. Are smart. Ni nziza. Zigezweho. Your phones are expensive. Telefoni zanyu zirahenze. Their phones are good. Telefoni zabo ni nziza. You see that the words in black are possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. My in Kinyarwanda is ange. Urasanisha nyine, urasanisha bitewe n'izina ryabanje. Niba ari igitabo cyanjye, niba ari karamu yanjye, niba ari telefoni yanjye, niba ari umuntu wanjye, niba ari inshuti yanjye, urumva urasanisha bitewe n'izina. So is ange. Your is awe. Yawe, zawe, byawe mu nteko zose. His phone is good. His, ye, ze, be, niba ari abantu be, inshuti ze, ikaramu ye, igitabo cye, intebe ye, bitewe n'ikiri gusanisha. No kuri her ku mukobwa, mu Kinyarwanda ibyo ntitubigira, hose ni ye. Hanyuma it's ni o. Icumi twakita o. Cyayo, zayo, byayo, byacyo, byaterwa n'ikintu uri gusanisha. Niba ari telefoni ni yayo, n'ibara ryayo. Niba ari igitabo ni igitabo cyawo. Gutyo, gicumi ni o. Our phone ni chu. Byacu, zacu, zanyu, byacu, zacu, hacu, mu nteko zose ko ari 18. And their phones are good. They, bo. Zabo, byawo, babo bitewe n'iki n'izina uri gusanisha. Ibi nibyo bita ibinyazina ngenera ngenga, byisanisha nyine na ngenga birumvikana. Hari ngenga ya mbere, ya kabiri, ya gatatu z'ubumwe. Ya mbere ni nje, ya kabiri ni we, wowe, wowe, ya gatatu ni we. Hanyuma mu Cyongereza mu Kinyarwanda tugira eshatu. Hanyuma yanjye ikaba njyewe, ikaba twebwe, hanyuma wowe bikaba mwebwe, hanyuma bo we ikaba bo. Ubwo tugeze ku ngenga ya gatatu tuza twinjira mu nteko z'amazina atandukanye. This is for Kinyarwanda speaker. Ibyo ni bireba abazi Kinyarwanda. But these are possessive adjectives. Don't struggle using these possessive adjectives. Don't hesitate using these adjectives. I've seen that some students, some people don't know to use these possessive adjectives. So this is how this is how to use them. You take possessive adjectives and then the noun you are possessing. You are possessing. Try to use other nouns apart from phone. Use another nouns. Pen, table, phone, bicycle, bag. There are many names. The name of things you are owning, possessing to someone. Great, thank you very much. If this video helpful, if it is helpful, remember to subscribe if you have not done it, and if you have done it, your like, your share, and your comment is paramount. For us. Yes, to show us that you support us and you keep following us. Great. There is another way of expressing possession. This another way of expressing possession or the owner of something. We can also express the owner of something by putting apostrophe followed by s. Apostrophe followed by s to the owner of something. We take the name of the owner, the one the one who owns something, and then we put s with apostrophe, and then we write the owner. We put the something we are possessing to that one. Yes. Let us try to see the example. Try to read this sentence aloud. The phone of Eric is smart. The phone of Eric is smart. This sentence is not advanced. For advanced speaker of English, we say this one. Eric's phone is smart. Means that we take the owner, then after the name of the owner, we write s, we write apostrophe and s, then we add the something we are talking about, we are possessing to the owner. So the owner is Eric, and the something is a phone. So we write Eric, then s, then phone, then you complete the sentence. Eric's phone is smart. Bivuga ngo ari ubundi buryo dushobora kugaragaza nyirikintu. Uvuye ngo the phone of Eric is smart, dufata izina ry'uwo turi kugenera tukaryandika, tukaribanza. Nyuma yo kwandika ikintu turi kugenera, izina ry'umuntu cyangwa ikintu turi kugenera, nyirikintu nyine tugashyiraho s kase. Nyuma tugashyiraho rya zina rya cya kintu turi kumugenera cyangwa turi kumugenera. Ubwo tuba tubaze kuvuga rwose uburyo bwiza bwo kugenera umuntu. Eric's phone is smart. telefoni ya Eric ni nziza. Icyimbo cyo kuvuga ngo the telephone of Eric is smart, his Eric's phone is smart. Iyo izina riri mu bwinshi, abanze ibintu biri mu bwinshi, iriya s urayandika n'ubundi biri kuri rya zina, hanyuma agakato kakaza inyuma ya s. The mother of Jane is sick. The mother of Jane is sick. How can we speak this sentence correctly? Can you write in a comment? Yes, the mother of Jane is sick. Yes, I think the answer you have written is this one. Jane's mother is sick. Jane is the owner. Then Jane's mother is sick. Jane's mother is sick. The computer of Muthon is damaged. The computer of Muthon is damaged. The computer of Muthon is damaged. So we will say Muthon's computer is damaged. Muthon's computer is damaged. Great! This is another way of expressing possession. Great. And here we cannot conclude this lesson without giving you exercises. And the exercise you have is complete the following sentences with correct possessive adjectives. Correct possessive adjectives. Number 1 is done for you. Gatela is a farmer, while wife is a nurse. While wife is a nurse. Here we put his wife. Gatera ni umuhinzi mu gihe umugore we, his wife is a nurse, ari umuforomo. Great. This tree is tall and leaves are green. Yes, which possessive adjective is correct and is suitable for this sentence? Write in a comment. Number 2, the computer is damaged. Keyboard is not clickable. It is not clickable. Which suitable possessive adjective can we use here to refer to computer? Great. I bought 2 pairs of shoes, one for me and another for my brother. I bought 2 pairs of shoes. One is for me, another is for my brother. Then, so shoes are black. You can use possessive adjective which refers to me or which refers to brother. Shoes are black. Yes, you put suitable possessive adjectives. Thank you very much for those who have already watched this full video, and I think you have learned an important lesson which is very important in our conversation. Yes, tell me if this lesson was helpful. I think you have subscribed. Those who have subscribed, thank you very much. Those who keep sharing our video, thank you very much. Those who likes our video, thank you very much. Those who write in the comment and shows that they are interested with these videos, thank you very much. This is Language Booster TV, YouTube channel which helps you to learn 3 languages at free. I am a teacher, Eric Bunani. Let us meet another time. Let us meet next time. See you again. I love you so much.